Meaning of disputation.
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 Disputation. Disputation refers to a formal debate or argument, often pertaining to religious or philosophical topics. It typically involves rigorous examination and defense of opposing viewpoints through logic, evidence, and reasoning. The result of a disputation can vary depending on the specific context and goals of the participants, but it generally seeks to either reach a resolution or clarify differences and promote deeper understanding. Ultimately, the process of disputation can lead to greater intellectual growth and a more nuanced understanding of complex issues.